Hi, I'm Lou Manfredini, Ace's Home Expert, and in this video, we're going to give you a beginner's guide to using a reciprocating saw. This is a reciprocating saw. They come in a bunch of different manufacturers. This happens to be a DeWalt. This is a battery-operated unit, but they also have corded tools like this as well. Now, before we talk about the tools, I want to talk a little bit about the blades. Reciprocating saw blades, like this one here, this is a Milwaukee blade. They all have this tip here on the end. This is the part that goes inside the tool. So whether it's a Milwaukee or it's a DeWalt, or here's a package of Craftsman blades here, you'll see that when it says reciprocating saw, these blades are all universal. So when you're going to the store to buy the blades, just make sure it says reciprocating saw. I'm going to use this as an example. All different types of blades available for these tools. Long wood cutting blades, long metal cutting blades. This is a bimetal they call this, shorter blades. You will be amazed at all the different kinds of blades that are available to use on the end of a reciprocating saw. For the most part, these are demo saws. So if you're doing any kind of remodeling, you're going to use this to cut out wood. It's not a tool that's really designed for fine work, although I've seen many do that as well. On this particular tool, I'll use this DeWalt blade, there's a toolless release here. Many of them have a similar device like this. You pull this open, you insert the blade in, and you make sure that it locks in, and you can't pull it out. Some have a tool that you have to use, but most are like this, and will come out. This one also has a fence on the end of it, and it's adjustable. You can push this button and move this fence in and out. The idea behind that is that depending on what you're cutting, you want to have this against what you're cutting, and you put pressure to hold it, and then the blade, when it activates, goes back and forth, back and forth. If you don't use the fence, the tool can jump on you quite a bit, and you really want to make sure that you're holding it firmly, you understand how the tool works, because they have a lot of power, whether corded or cordless. You can use this to cut wood, you can use this to cut metal, you can use this to cut a variety of materials depending on the blade that you use. And again, it is really a demo tool and used for making cuts that you're not necessarily concerned with them being very precise. Although I've been on many a job site where people have said, I can use a reciprocating saw for just about anything. But in my book, this is something you use when you're doing a remodeling project and doing demo work, and it is a super useful tool. Coming up next, another beginner's guide video on a tool you should be using.